So in this video I want to do a spotlight video for this beautiful Miltoniopsis orchid. This is my Miltoniopsis Princess Diana. She is a gorgeous one, very vigorous, very easy to grow, and she is a cross between Miltoniopsis parono and Miltoniopsis Wascewiczii. I think Wascewiczii is a species, so she has in her background, in her DNA, let's say, quite a lot of species traits, and she is in that regard very vigorous, especially for me in semi-hydro. Now if you want to know how I grow Miltoniopsis orchids, I have a very useful care tutorial for you, and you should visit the description of this video. There I will post a link to that video. You will see it is very easy, especially in semi-hydro. Here I have a little cup. It has this reservoir, and I use the bigger leca that is perfectly round. I have bought this orchid about 2 years ago, and then she only had this little pseudobulb in the back and this one here. The next year it has grew this little one here, which it is not a great one, but was a start. It has produced root, because as always when you purchase Miltoniopsis orchids, usually they don't have any roots, so this was a save. Then last year it has produced this growth. I don't think it's yet really fully mature, but it's the biggest one that she has ever created, and she has produced for me a spike with 3 beautiful blooms, and now she is growing a new growth already, which is really growing pretty fast. Now the blooms are pretty amazing in my opinion. I really love the colors. She has a lot of whites and purple, and here inside the lip we can see she has a very pretty reddish pattern on a white background. And what I love the most about Miltoniopsis orchids, except the fragrance, which is absolutely amazing, it is that here inside she has this golden yellow with the red stripes. I really find that very beautiful. This orchid can create about 8 blooms per spike, so my show is not a great one, but it is a start. I'm sure that each year from now on she will bloom better and better. Now about the fragrance. She smells absolutely beautiful, and it is very powerful when the sun shines. I can feel this scent in my entire room, and she really reminds me of roses, so that is quite pretty. I think the scent and the look of the blooms is one real bonus, and that makes me love them so much. I have quite a few Miltoniopsis orchids, and their size, it's really also very nice. You can see the bloom is quite large. It has about 12 or 13 centimeters in diameter, and the lip is very fluffy. I really like that. So okay guys, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I will be more than happy to answer them, and if you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching, and see you all next time. Bye!